Today we're going to be reviewing a center console armrest cover. Here's what comes in the bag. It's a nice bag too. You can keep it. You use it if you want to. You got the armrest cover. You can see it's very nice and padded. It's very nice looking. It's water resistant, scratch resistant, and it's easy to install. If you can see back here, it has elastic. That's what you're gonna use to install it. It's very well made. If you can see, I know you can see the quality of it. It's very luxury looking for my truck. My truck is a 2013 F-150 XTL. This is for 2011 to 2014 trucks. So check your listing before you buy. But if your armrest is all dirty and nasty like mine, consider getting one of these to give you more comfort. You can even have your pet sitting here if you drive with your dog and stuff. So let's go install in my truck to see how it looks. All right, guys, so we're gonna install this padded one for the headrest. I got two. They sent me two, so I'm doing this one. Definitely gonna keep this one in my truck because it looks a lot better. It has cushion and makes the car looks a little bit better than how it looks. So you see my armrest from the jump seat, how dirty it is. So let's just install it real quick. All you do is, you got 3 elastics. So you just run them through each and one of them. 2, and then the first one. Get it right. Make sure I put it right. So I tend not to read. So run them through each elastic. They're very thick elastic, so they're not gonna let it move. And then you just match it to the front. And there you have it. Brand new look. Look expensive now. Doesn't interfere with your working armrest. Works perfectly. Secure with 3. Perfect match. You don't have to do none. It's very nice and comfy. Definitely gonna keep it in my truck. So if you're looking for a armrest cover that is gonna have your car looking fancy, definitely recommend this one. So I hope this video helped, and thank you.